Today I'm going to introduce my sisters to a dress. A t-shirt on the back. The hands are usually close to the body. This model is ours. The fabric above is made of rubber. If there is a stretch below, you will be lucky. Is it made of silk or soy? And to make this model, my sisters need to prepare the measurements. The measurement that needs to be there is the shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest measurement, waist measurement, buttock measurement, and waist length. Now we will. So let's start going into this template design. First, I'll design the shirt. Stretch material. The length of the dress I took here is 50. It depends on the height. You will take your measurements. Let it fit. I'll take my shoulder. Over here, you take the shoulders. Divided by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took a root of 16. Then lower your shoulders to 4. You take her and divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Connect it to. And take the lower chest, which is equal to the chest, and divide it by 10. I'm sorry, you're divided by 5 plus 3. 80 divided by 5 plus 3 is equal to 18. From top to bottom, it's 18. I moved across a street. And then I'm going to take the lower part of the chest. Divided by 4. 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Take over is 20. Then I'll take down the lower part. Lower the waist here. I take the 35. I clean the strength perpendicular. At the waist, I will be the waist. Divided by 4, 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16. You get your ass divided by 4. 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Here you take 20. I get 16 here. I have to petrol. You can draw the body. Build a perpendicular line. Back up, 2 petrol, split in half again. And I'll draw the body. And if this is a round neck, you'll get a round neck. Take a step back and paint behind the old window. And by 6, we're done with the previous part. I drew 6 down. Then, after you can draw the body first. Then we will continue. Back body up to petrol. Cake soup 1 sugar. Then 1 less and the back 1 less. The neck of the back, you take this way. So here's the model, but it doesn't have any elasticity, ladies. Sorry, this is an elastic shirt. So I don't have anything except seams here. When you cut on the cloth, then you remember except the seams for us to cut. And remember again, this recipe applies to fabric. It's made of elastic. So if you don't stretch, use this formula. The shirt we can't wear. Remember to note. Now I cut my back along the red line. The body behind me cuts this red line. You see the body after it will be different. The first body is reduced. The thoracic portion of the back body is a millimeter of gasoline. The body before it will be different. The back is my ass. It's smaller than the body after 1 star. And the front neck is lower. Our shoulders will cut the blue line. We'll cut our armpits in the blue line. Then you will get the shirt of fabric material with elasticity. This will be the body first. The sisters multiply for a double cloth, and this is the back body. The sisters multiply for a double cloth. Then, now I draw the sleeve. If you want to paint your sleeves, you have to measure them. I measured it as 19. Of the previous guy. The next guy is going to be 19. Both guys are 19. Then you'll take it with your chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is equal to 13. Then we'll measure from top to bottom. This is equal to 13 by this number. Build numbers perpendicular. And you take 19. Plus 19 is equal to 38. Divide by 2 is equal 19. We'll take the number 19. It's at the end of the ruler, and the ruler's head is on a straight line. I just built it. Split in 2. Then you'll take the sleeve length. I finished drawing this line. I'll take the sleeve length. Take down the length of your sleeves from above. Give me long arms. Here is equal to 18. Build a perpendicular line. And this arm door, it's going to be biceps divided by 2. Here I get 12. You will measure it on your body. And then we'll cut from the arm. We're going to have the sleeve that we're opening up. First, you will cut it down. Then we'll put this hand in the armpit first. This hand, we put it in the back armpit. Now look at the model again. The shirt I just designed. This is the former part of the tree. That's us when we put it on the body. It will be like that. I'll put my hand in this hand first. This hand, the back. And now I'm going to start. I designed for the part. Skirt. The dress. This is the dress that you see. It will have a floor. Here. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3 for floors. You will first identify a part. The skirt is elastic. The first thing you should do is calculate for yourself. That's the buttocks. Then across the waist. If you're around here, you'll get your ass. Divided by 4. 80 divided by 4, you're 20. 20 from here, you can measure for me 20. That's the waistline. Then the horizontal. Your ass is measured from top to bottom. Give me a piece. Is equal to 18. I cross a line. The part up here, you're going to get your ass. Divide for sisters plus 5. It's 80 divided by 4. Plus 5, we're 25. I took 25 across one street. Then you'll join this part here. Down here, you drop 5 inches. We'll get a dress like this. As for the first dress, you will. Down for me is a gasoline. And we also leave the seams for us. Elastic band. After the towel, you take the sugar above. And then you'll split the rest. This comes out in
all
3
together.
parts. Divided into 3 equal parts. One way here. 2 way. This way I left it. This second time I cut it. Then you'll take it in small parts. For example, here, you guys give me more. 15 to 20 gasoline. Then this corner. They also added 15 to 20 gasoline. From this point, Then the same goes for this corner. You've also extended this paragraph from 15 to 20 gasoline cause I'm short of paper. You just cut a straight line like this. Then we'll have each one of those first floors. Second floor, first floor. Second floor. This is the third floor and this is the fourth floor. Then we'll have 4 floors like this. Each floor, you will go from 15 to 20. Gasoline. I'll stick it up, girls. Look at the pattern. You see, every week I will increase this distance from 15 to 20 gasoline. It's the same from here, 15 to 20. (15 to 20 cubic meters of gasoline. And when I do that, then you'll come out with a dress. It'll have floors. Like this. Then we're going to cut each of these roads apart. Then you will draw the seed. This part I put into the body. The clouds pull this part into the clouds. Take the knob over there and put it in. We're going to do a dress. Well, we'll get the bad part. Knob like the pattern in the picture. I wish you success. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to the channel. Shincho and see you.